Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin here today. That I'm so close to reaching 100 million fish strength. I'm so close to reaching 100 million fish strength. Guys, don't you think I was playing a lot? No, I was been AFK like a night. If it's already night time for me, I'm just gonna go to your VIP server, download an OP auto clicker, then train my fish in 1 hour. I already have like yesterday. I just got like 44 million fish strength. Now it became 70. Now it's like past like 20 minutes or 30 or 50 or 1 hour ago. It's already 97. So guys, if you want more videos, there's an incoming video, the music video. If you guys want to see it, you have to subscribe and like the video. You have to hit the bell, turn on the notifications on. So guys, there's an incoming video, lot of them. The music video, I need 100 subscribers for the music video because it's gonna be cringe. So a Roblox music video. Roblox, not music video in real life. So yeah. Be right. Let's see. I'm weak. I'm a noob. Follow me in Roblox. You already see my name. Look, it's already me. It's like, oh dang, lag, fudge. Sorry. I'm gonna see my. Is it laggy, guys? Oh dang, it's lags. Laggy. So guys, just wait until I got 100 million. Then guys, what shall I train? Body toughness or piss check? Because look, guys, I'm sorry if I tell you this. I'm using an auto clicker. Yeah guys, I'm sorry. Please don't be mad. Oh wait, that was so fast. Lol. Oh, I already reached like 10 million. I need like 5 million. Oh damn. Guys, I'm telling you something. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Well, I don't know why do if I have a dislike on my channel. Some of the videos like parachute fireworks, the Christmas party games. You see my other one, the Christmas party games. It already got like 180 viewers. It already beat my old video. Guys, we need 1K, so it's gonna be so close. I'm excited. We're gonna train some body toughness. I need 5,000. Look, it's just very. Oh no, oopsies, guys. I accidentally switched it off. Oh my god, it's already one more to go. Look, oh, let's yo guys, I'm so excited, guys. Guys, I'm gonna make tomorrow a video. The spicy. Oh dang! I don't wanna eat. I don't wanna eat that. I'm already crying, man. Oh dang! Please don't. I'm crying already. Why? Oh no. Do you think I'm lying? Look at my left eye's a little bit wet. A little bit. Oh! Oh! Guys, if you want to train, you have to if you want to learn something, how did I drink so fast? You really need to get this. Look. Look. If you have times 64, even the body and the piss check, it's already GG. If you begin AFA, if you try to train your body, it's gonna be so good. You're gonna get more than like 30 million. I don't know. Oh, yeah, 30 million. So yeah, 30 million. Like what? If you have 1 hour, 30 million. 30 million. 24 hours. 1 hour. 24 million. I'm not lying, guys. 30 million. 24 million. What am I even saying? 30 million, guys. Guys, I don't know even what am I saying right now. So yeah. Guys, I just want to have 100 subscribers. Please, I wanna make my day. Guys, here we go. Here. Wait, voice lol. Guys, 10. 5 seconds. 4, 3. GG top 8. GG. I'm done. Oh. Oh dang, fudge, it's lags. Oh dang, I like that color. Why am I flying? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button in the face and turn on the notifications on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Never mind, I don't know. Okay guys, peace out. E-man here. Bye. My name is Fudge.